Okay, to continue the trimming of our bear's face, I am going to use a rubber band, some pins. I've got, of course, my curved embroidery scissors. I've got these scissors as backup. I have a mustache trimmer, and then I've got my toothbrush as a brush. This technique that I'm going to show you is one that I use on all my bears, but I do it in a slightly different way with my fur bears. With my fur bears, I leave my test dies in place while I place the rubber band on there. The purpose of the rubber band is to help get an even trimming so that you don't get lopsided. So I'm going to place my rubber band so it's going across the eyes like this, and I'm going to use one of my pins. I want to get this in this there so that it's holding the pin in place, kind of guiding it. And I'm going to guide the rubber band towards the back of the eye. I use a pin right here, and then we'll do the same over here. And I see that. And I am going through the rubber band, so although I can use this rubber band several times, eventually it gets too many holes and I have to start with a new one. And now we're just gonna, I'm trying to make sure that this is laying straight. I'm gonna put one rubber band here down at the bottom to hold it in place. And this time I'm just putting the rubber band on the inside, so not actually through the rubber band. And now I'm going to take a look and see if it looks even. There we go. And that does look even to me. Now I like my curved embroidery scissors because the curve goes along with the curve of the face. First I'm going to get the fur out of there. So bring the fur out from under the rubber band on both sides of the rubber band. I'm just using the scissors closed and just using their pointed end, kind of like a needle or an awl. Okay, now I'm going to use the curved embroidery scissors to carefully trim a little line. Oops, this one. That part of the rubber band has come up a little and I want to get it in place. I'm going to get a couple more pins. I think I'm going to bring it another pin down here to try to make the curve a little more gentle instead of severe when I just had this point. And we'll do another one on this side. Kind of bring it out a little. There, that makes the curve of the rubber band a little bit more gentle. And I'm going to do the same thing, pull the fur out on each side, because now we're going to start actually trimming the fur, and I don't want to trim the wrong fur. Okay, with our curved embroidery scissors, we're going to snip along that line on the outside of the rubber band. do the same thing on this side. Okay. Now we can remove the pins and the rubber band. And pull some of that fur away. And that's our start. Now we're going to continue to trim the muzzle. I'm going to use my toothbrush and brush out some of the fur. I'm going to use my curved embroidery scissors to add more definition to this line by snipping a little more, but now I don't have the rubber band in the way. Now I have a more defined line. I'm going to take my curved embroidery scissors and I'm going to trim the fur that's on the inside of that line but close to the line, and try to trim it down a little very gently with the curve of the scissors. Since the fur is going down this way, I want the scissors to go in that same, to follow that same curve. After you do a little on one side, then you should go to the other side, because it's easier to have them match than if you do one side all at once. That little arch between the eyes, I'm going to trim that a little bit more. And I'm going to do some more trimming again of the area of the inside of the muzzle that's close to the line. And now I might try my mustache trimmer after I get batteries in it. Okay, it helps to have power in your power tools. And I'm just very carefully taking a little bit off at a time. Let's see here. Use my... There we go. Right now I'm just getting the long hairs. Those long hairs are called guard hairs, and I'm just trimming those down a little bit. Okay, now I've got the muzzle trimmed a little bit. A little shape and definition has been added to the face. Now I'm ready to put the real eyes in.